5 practical ways to make yourself indispensable. Opportunities don't always knock. Sometimes they notice. When you become indispensable, the right people don't just open doors for you, they invite you in. Today's topic: 5 ways to make yourself indispensable and how to do it practically. Be a problem solver, not a problem finder. That's number 1. Practical way: when something goes wrong, don't just report it. Bring at least one possible solution. Example: if your team struggles with deadlines, suggest a workflow or a calendar system before waiting for someone else to fix it for you. Number 2, show consistent excellence and reliability. Here is the practical way: be known as the person who delivers quality work on time every time. Example: even if it's a small task, treat it as if it carries your signature. For sure, it does. That consistency builds trust from people you admire. Number 3, add value before you ask for help. Here is a practical way: support their work first. Share their projects, offer feedback, or volunteer to assist in small ways. Example: if you admire a leader, help amplify their message or contribute ideas that align with their goals before requesting mentorship. Number 4, cultivate emotional intelligence and humility. Here is a practical way: listen twice as much as you speak. Understand what others need and respond with respect, patience, and empathy. Example: when a mentor or a supervisor gives feedback, receive it with gratitude, not defensiveness. That humility builds deeper trust and access. Number 5, keep growing and stay curious. Here is a practical way: invest in learning. Read books, take short courses, ask questions. Growth attracts mentors because they see teachability and potential in you. Example: when someone gives you advice, act on it and share the results. That follow through shows seriousness and maturity. You know, brothers and sisters, the people you admire aren't looking for perfection. They are looking for purpose-driven people who make things better wherever they go. Become the kind of a person whose presence has value, whose work builds trust, and whose growth inspires others. When you do, opportunities won't need to be chased. They will naturally find you. I want you to be successful. Take these principles seriously. God loves you, and I love you. Bye.